guys, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss why do we need HTML and CSS and what exactly does HTML and CSS does and how does a website actually looks with only HTML and without any CSS. So let's dive in and explore this. Before going to the actual question, I want you to know what exactly is a static website and a dynamic website, and what is the difference between a static website and a dynamic website. So let's take an example to understand this. Consider Wikipedia. It's a static website because no matter how many times you reload it, the content in that website won't change, it remains the same. Now consider YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, any of this. If you reload, you won't get to see the same content twice, and as the time passes by, the content changes. Where in case of static websites, no matter how much time and no matter how many times you reload it, the content won't change, it remains the same. This is the difference between a static and dynamic websites. I hope you understand this. Now let's move on to our main topic. The first question is, why do we need HTML and CSS? We need HTML and CSS in order to make a cool looking static websites. You know what a static website is, right? And coming to the next question, what does HTML and CSS exactly does? What does they provide us? Basically, HTML makes the structure of a web page and CSS is used to style that structure to make it look good. And that's not the end to it. Many other YouTubers leave you at this dilemma that what does the structure looks like and what happens on applying some style to it. Don't worry, this is where I come in to show you what a website structure looks like and how captivating the website will be with some styles on it. Now let's move on to the computer screen to explore this. Alright guys, we are on computer screen. If you are going to do this with me, I would like you to install an extension called Design Analysis. Just go here, get extensions from Microsoft Edge, and then search for Design Analysis. And then you can get it from here and add to your extensions. So since I installed my extension already, I'm going to use it. So this is the Facebook login page. If we want to see it with only HTML structure with no CSS, just turn on this extension and go to disable CSS and disable external CSS, which disables the CSS code in this Facebook login page, which gives us this HTML structure of our Facebook login page. You can see, right? This is how the Facebook login page looks without CSS and only with HTML. This is what we call the structure of a web page. We have this logo, image, input buttons, and all the links. Now if you want to add CSS again, just go there again and uncheck this disable external CSS and come back and reload. This is how cool your website looks with CSS, and that's what your structure looks like with HTML. Now let's try this with YouTube. I'm gonna do the same thing again. Go to extension, disable CSS, disable external CSS. Boom. This is how YouTube looks. Our YouTube structure exactly looks like that.
WhatsApp पे रिपीटेड क्वेरी का आंसर देते थे, वो थक चुके हैं. आपकी सेल्स टीम आपकी पोटेंशियल लीड से फॉलो अप ही नहीं कर रही है. आपकी सेल्स
एजेंट if you want to do this again,
किसी भी तरीके का रॉन्ग कमिटमेंट कर देते हैं.
Just disable external CSS and reload. And now this is how it looks with CSS. Cool, right? Alright guys, this is it for today. I hope you have understood what is an HTML structure and what happens if we apply style to it, and what is the difference between these two, and what are static website and dynamic websites. This is it for today guys. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and comment if you have any queries. And thank you guys. Bye.